You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Lithium Americas has suddenly become the talk of Wall Street after reports surfaced that the Trump administration is exploring the possibility of taking an equity stake in the company. Shares of Lithium Americas, traded under the ticker LAC on the New York Stock Exchange, skyrocketed nearly 88% in after-hours trading once the news broke. The idea being floated is that the administration could secure as much as a 10% ownership position, tied directly to ongoing negotiations over a massive federal loan. At the center of all this is the Thacker Pass lithium project in Nevada, one of the largest planned lithium mines in the world. The mine has already been a political flashpoint, and now its future appears to be tied up with both federal financing and White House interest. The project depends heavily on a $2.3 billion loan approved under the previous administration, and questions have now been raised about whether those funds will still be guaranteed. Nevada leaders, including Governor Joe Lombardo and Representative Mark Amodei, have been pressing hard in favor of the mine. They have called it economic salvation for the state, highlighting how lithium could serve as the backbone of a new industry, one that moves Nevada beyond its traditional reliance on tourism. Their vision is to create what they call a lithium loop, a full supply chain that handles extraction, processing, and recycling right within the state. Such a plan, they argue, would not only secure jobs, but also reduce America's dependence on overseas lithium suppliers. General Motors, already a major investor with nearly $1 billion committed, is another key player in this story. The Department of Energy reportedly wants GM to lock in a long-term purchase agreement for lithium produced at Thacker Pass before finalizing the loan. That means GM would be bound to buy a set volume of the resource for the next 2 decades, ensuring stability for the mine, but also committing the automaker to a big bet on Nevada lithium. This unfolding drama has sparked both excitement and uncertainty. On one hand, a direct equity stake by the federal government would represent a rare and powerful show of support, signaling that Washington sees lithium as a strategic resource worth protecting. On the other hand, any delay or reversal of the loan could derail years of planning and construction, leaving the future of the Thacker Pass project in doubt. For now, markets are reacting with enthusiasm. The surge in Lithium Americas stock reflects investor belief that the government's involvement could ultimately strengthen the company's long-term prospects. But behind the soaring share price, real questions remain about financing, politics, and the practical challenges of building a massive mine in a remote corner of Nevada. What is clear is that lithium has moved far beyond being just another mineral. It is now positioned as a national priority, a geopolitical asset, and a potential cornerstone of America's clean energy future. Whether this latest push ends with a federal stake in Lithium Americas or not, the attention it has drawn shows just how high the stakes have become. Stay subscribed for more videos.